Hello, my dear children. How are you? I hope you and your family members are safe and fine at home. I am Deepa teacher, class teacher of 4th C, and I am handling social in 4th all sections. Same as last year, this year also we have two volume of social textbooks. First volume includes total 6 chapters. Let us start first chapter today. First chapter's name is Calendars We Use. This lesson focuses on two important things. First one is how to sequence events and dates using the terms BCE and CE. Second one is the various types of calendars, their origin and uses. First topic is about timelines. What is timeline? A graphical representation of a period of time on which important events are marked. Let us start our topic with an example. One grandmother has to say about her grandson named Hassan. Hassan, my grandson was born in the year 2000. Before that, his parents were living in Singapore. They moved to India in 1999. A year before Hassan was born. 4 years after his birth, in 2004, I still remember that there was a big storm in our town. Hassan started school in the year 2005. 6 years after Hassan was born, we built a new house. His sister Ria was born in 2008, 8 years after him. From this story, we can understand the events happened in Hassan's life before and after his birth. And from this table we can understand the events and year happened in Hassan's birth and after his birth. The events happened before Hassan's birth. First one is they moved to India. Which year? Moved to India in 1999. And when was Hassan's birth? 2000. Then after that what happened? A big storm happened in which year? 2004. Then after that started going to school in which year? 2005. And after that what happened? Shift to a new house in which year? 2006. And at last what happened? A sister Ria was born in which year? 2008. These are the events happened in Hassan's life. Like this, many events happens in your life also, isn't it? From this, we can make a timeline according to the events that occurred in Hassan's life. This is the timeline. Now we can understand more about timeline by watching a video. Timelines. We all know that history is the story of the past. It is full of events. When an event happens, there are three things to know. What happened? When did it happen? Where did it happen? Events may happen in people's lives, in societies, in countries, in the world. In fact, events even happen on earth and in the universe. Timeline. A timeline is a record of the past. Historians use a timeline to record the events. Timelines help us to keep track of important events. They also tell us how much time goes by before the next event occurs. The event that occurs first is written at the bottom of the line in a timeline. Historians developed a special method of counting the years. They used the letters BCE or BC and CE or AD. BCE or BC stands for Before Common Era or Before Christ. AD or CE stands for Common Era or Anno Domini. Anno Domini means in the year of Lord. This way of counting came from Europe. Historians used the birth of Jesus Christ as the reference date. That is the beginning of the calendar. So, the year is after his birth are written as CE or AD. The years before the birth of Jesus Christ are counted backward and are written as BCE or BC. 100 years means a century. We are now in the 21st century. 2000 years have passed by since Jesus Christ was born. Mahatma Gandhi was born in 1869 CE or AD. He was born 1869 years after Jesus Christ was born. Lord Buddha was born in 563 BCE or BC. He was born 563 years before the birth of Jesus Christ. Children, how was that video? I hope all of you have understood this class. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.